Okay, this is the Viper Smart Start to this 2008 Dodge Ram 3500. I'm going to go ahead and lock in the app. It's going to send a command. It's going to hit lock and lock the doors. Okay, locks the doors. Command receive. I'm going to go ahead and hit disarm. It will disarm the alarm, unlock all the doors. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remote start the vehicle. I'm going to hit yes, that I do want to remote start it. Okay, I programmed it for 10 seconds. That way it turns on the ignition, warms up. Since it's a diesel, it's going to warm up the glove plugs, especially on an older diesel Ram. And now the truck will start up in a few seconds. Okay. I'm going to hit this on. That will turn off the truck. Then the GPS, of course, you hit here in the bottom and then you track it. For security reasons, I'm not going to show the address where the truck is at. I'm going to go ahead and arm the alarm by hitting lock. Okay. Now the system is armed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fire off the alarm by pretty much any door that they open will fire up, but I'm going to go ahead and smack on the window. I'm going to go ahead and disarm the alarm. We programmed that it works on the remote control, remote control from factory. That way he doesn't have to carry an extra remote control. His text message should be coming in a second that's telling him that the alarm is firing off. Should be, there it is right there. It's telling you that the alarm, the security system went off. Since it's new to the system, it takes you know, a few hours until he's settled in the server, and they'll come in a lot quicker. Normally they take about 10 seconds when the alarm fires off. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Thank you for watching this video.